So we'll start with the installation of the plugin. For that, we need to log into our WordPress dashboard. Then we'll go to the plugin. Here you need to click the add plugin. Then we'll write down the FormGent. From here we can click the install now. After the installation, click activate. Oh, so it's already here. So from here we can start creating form. Okay, so today we will create a form by using the AI builder. So for that we need to go to the all form. It's already selected. From there you need to select the create new, then create with AI, then AI classic form. This will give you a box where you need to write down the prompt, and also you can select the prompt from the suggestion box in the below side, and then create the generate form. I will use one prompt that I already copied, so I will just paste it here and then create generate form, and you can see it just taking like some few seconds to complete the form, and boom, it's done. So you can see the fast draft of your feedback form, like as I suggested there, like name, email, rating, comments, suggestions, and all those things. So now I will show you how to customize that form. Like if I want to change something, like here there is one comment section and also the suggestion section. Both are actually doing the same thing. So I will change one of that and I will replace it with some other question. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so now I will change one of the question from here, as the comments and the suggestions are the same thing. So I will delete one from here. So let's deduct the suggestion box. Then I can add the phone number. So for that I can drag and drop it here. See, it's already there. And I can change the settings from here. Like I can make it required, and I can include the country code. So you can see it's already here. And then enable auto country detection. And then you can also change some advanced settings, or you can add the conditional logic. So right now first let me save that draft. Then we can change the other question if needed. I mean, you can also make that required or optional for the email. You can limit the characters, and also you can enable the confirmation field. So, and also the advanced label and the conditional logic. So each questions come with their own settings. So for the rating, we have the default rating system, which is 1 to 5. So if you want to change it like 1 to 10 or something like that, so you can change it from here, but I'm keeping it right now. So let's see the basic general settings of this form. So for the general setting, it will pop up a new window. You can see we can remove the FormGent branding if we have the pro version. Form confirmation: whenever anyone submit the form, they will get this message. And also you can redirect after they done with the submission. You can also connect it with some custom URL. Right now, for example, we have the google.com. You can connect with some of your product URL or anything else. Then email notification: whenever anyone submit the email, the admin will get one email notification. Even they can change the total email settings from here, like the message and all those things. So it's already there by default from FormGent, so we are not doing anything in here. Webhook is another thing. If you want to connect your form with some other system, then you can use the webhook. In future we'll show you how to do that. And embed is for if you want to embed the form in another page or another website, then you have to use this thing. So right now this is it. We have, let's save the draft and let me check the draft from here. So this is the first draft we have. So now we will go for some designing of this form. So let's go back, and then we have to click the design and share section. So from here, let me change the color. Okay, like this. Then you can also add the logo. Let me select the file. See, we already used that logo. And you can show the title and everything in here. Then the media, even if you want, you can change the cover image like this one, and I can drag and to adjust the cover image. So okay, it's done. Then enable share. Okay, I can publish it from here, or I can publish it from here. So let's publish the form from here. Now you can copy that and you can paste it anywhere, and your form is ready. So this is how you create a form. I mean, whatever the form you can create from FormGent. And now let's rename the form. I mean, if you want, we can go back to the FormGent. See, this is the form. We can rename it from here. Like if this is the feedback form, it's done. So let's see the preview again. Okay, so our form is ready. So that's all for today. So in future we will show you some other forms and some other settings. Till then, have a good day.